Hey babes, welcome or welcome back if this is your first time here. Hey, how you doing? My name is Levion. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you go. So y'all, in today's video, I'm going to do like a decorate with me. I found some really nice decor pieces from Amazon. Amazon kind of been coming in clutch a little bit with the decor. So I wanted to kind of just share with you all on how I style some of the pieces. All of the pieces that I have will be linked down below, and you can also find them in my Amazon storefront. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start decorating. Y'all know I had the brown pillows. I did purchase these from IKEA, and I was just looking for some other throw pillows to complement the couch. So I decided on going with a few other decor pillows. I did find this nice cream boucle pillow. I thought that it added some really nice texture on the couch. And then I'm adding in this stunning black and white zebra print pillow. Y'all, I was just so obsessed and impressed with the quality of this pillow. I really felt like it elevated the couch and just took it to another level. While I'm choosing my decor, I'm trying to be mindful on incorporating different textures and prints while also sticking to my same neutral palette, but also like complementing my main pieces. For the other side of the couch, I just added in this fur pillow. I'm kind of thinking about adding in another pillow on this side. Definitely want it to be a print, just not sure if I want to do the same zebra print pillow that I do have on that other side, or just keep it plain. I'm not sure yet. I did kind of just restyle my coffee table as well. I did like a really simple styling. If you're like me and you like to take the covers off of your books and then put candles on it and like the wax just gets all over the books, I added in like a tray, or you know, you can just kind of place something over top of it just to kind of hide, you know, the top of that book so it won't look so bad, you know, when styling the coffee table books. Just want to create a really cozy luxury space in my living room. Y'all, that's kind of been like my self journey right now, just creating this soft luxury cozy lifestyle for myself. So I've just been trying to display that all in my personal space. So I added in this cream throw and I just draped it across the front of the couch, and I just thought that it looked really nice. I wanted to give my entryway a mini refresh, so I also picked up a few decor pieces. I'm just showing y'all how it looks right now. Just pretty empty. I don't really have anything on there. I just got my lamp. I have this console table that I did pick up from Wayfair, and I also have this oversized mirror above it, which I also purchased from Wayfair. So I picked up this book from Amazon. The title of this book is called Style: The Art of Creating a Beautiful Home. This book has so much inspiration as well as style notes, which I thought was super helpful when trying to come up with different looks and just understanding the importance of decorating to your own personal style. Also have my Caraway Breath White Black is Beautiful book, another really nice book to pick up if you are just interested in just looking for more coffee table books to style in your home. This beautiful planter is also from Amazon, and y'all, it definitely has a little bit of weight on it. I just love the texture of it and just thought it was so nice. I'm going to add in some little greenery and just place it inside and kind of like fix it up just to give it kind of like a dramatic look. I picked up this white pumpkin candle. I know it's not fall yet, but it is slowly approaching, and I just wanted to kind of incorporate just some minimal pieces for fall. And then I'm also going to add in my 2 boucle ottomans just underneath, and I just really think that this look looks super simple and so nice. Y'all comment below and let me know what you think. Guys, thank you so much for hanging out with your girl. If you have enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave me some comments down below, and if you aren't already, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.